Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to enable sensitive content on Telegram in 2025 step by step. Now, Telegram is going to hide the sensitive media by default, especially on some of the devices and regions. So I will show you the working method to unlock it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Telegram application. Then you need to log in here with the help of your mobile number if you haven't already. Over here, tap on these three lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now you need to go to the settings of your device. Now here in your settings, simply tap on the option of privacy and security. This is the section where Telegram is going to keep your content control options. Now inside privacy and security, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of sensitive content. Now if your account supports it, you will see disable filtering. So if you see that option, you just have to turn it on, and this is going to remove all of the restrictions and allows all of the media to appear, including the sensitive channels or the messages. Now if you don't see this option, the reason might be because Telegram hides this option in many of the regions, especially on mobile. So in order to bypass this, what you can do is you can simply open Telegram in the web browser, or you can also download the Telegram's older version, the application one. Then you just have to log in the web version and try to access this option. That way you are definitely going to find the sensitive content option. Now after enabling the sensitive content, when you open the Telegram application, make sure that you clear the cache as well and restart the app. Now the restricted media should load normally. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.